I got sunshine in a bag, I'm useless.
What's up, cats? It's the snowstorm of the century. It's pretty bad outside. I'll take you out and let's take a look. Whoo-wee. Well, I see the snow shovel there, but I don't see my girlfriend anywhere. I seem to have lost her in the snow. We got snow piled up here everywhere. Oh, there she is. Look at you.
Look how deep the snow is on your roof.
I don't think my truck's going to go anywhere. It's pretty much buried.
Look how deep it is. Look at my pants. This side isn't really bad. On the other side, you can hardly walk it.
That's just what came down last night, and there's another 7 inches still coming. It's supposed to snow till 4 in the morning. We called the snowplow driver, and he's supposed to be here to plow our driveway. That's where we got to go. And he wasn't too happy when we told him it was 600 foot long. So when he shows up, who knows what he's going to charge us. I'm sure it'll be an ungodly fortune, but we got to get out of here, so we started doing some shoveling, trying to get ourselves dug out. It's going to be an ongoing chore here today. This is a blizzard. Yeah. I still don't feel real good, but good enough to do some shoveling today. Oh, that chill factor. Whew.
7 degrees with the wind chill.